Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to test out another new AI music workflow. So I've recorded my voice, I'm not a singer. So hopefully this time I can use Suno to help me with generating a vocal track. If you go back to my previous video, I've used MIDI, which is the vSynth vocal synthesizer to generate the vocal guide. But I don't really like the sound and I do not want to use the AI default female singer voice. So I trying to use my own voice. I try to record it as close as possible to the melody and import it back into the Suno to generate the vocal tracks and use that as the main lead vocals. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, forgive my singing, and here I've recorded my own voice.
Starlight is twinkling in the dark sky in the night. I recall endless goodbye.
Let's export the vocals, bounce, project our selection into a wave format. Once we are done, we are going to head to Suno. There's at the top, there's this voice. So we create voice over here and upload my audio. If you want to trim your recording, you can do so. But I'll just keep it as how it is. So use voice. And the interesting thing is you need to verify your voice because Suno wants to know that if this is really your voice or is it by taking other people's voice. So here, describe your singing and what kind of style your voice is. Just write some description, then save. So now to upload the music, because I want the voice to follow the original track. So we do some uploading here. We need to describe our own music. What are you going to upload? Okay, this is the important step. We need to type in the lyrics because we want the vocals to sing according to the lyrics, right? So here we are. And also don't forget to type in your style. Do some simple changes. I want it to be as close to the music as possible, so I'm gonna give it a very high percentage with a strong audio influence. Click create, so it will start generating.
In the dark sky in the night, I recalled our last goodbye. Is the time I'd gave up on your reply. I know it's time to go.
Okay, this is not perfect. The beat is not perfect. The singer is not singing on beat. And prior to this, I've already listened to other tracks. And the thing is, some of the versions have additional melody lines. The singer cannot improvise, which I don't really like. So the best solution right now is to download 3 to 4 versions and edit it into Logic Pro. So look for the triple dot, edit and get stems to do the stem splitting. Click on extract. Download it as a WAV file. Okay, after importing, the most important thing is to quantize. Okay. And quantize, we need to, if you are using Logic Pro, we use monophonic.
In the dark, our last goodbye is the time.
Alright, we are going to fast forward and listen to the final results.
Starlight is twinkling in the dark sky in the night. I recalled our last goodbye. Is the time I'd gave up on your reply. I know it's time to go.
gonna say again, I'm not a singer, so my goal isn't to create these perfect vocals, you see. So I'm more interested in exploring how AI tools can speed up music production and also open up to new creative flow workflows and possibilities. And I'm pretty satisfied because it did generate the airy voice that I'm looking for, because this is a breakup song. This is a romance breakup song. So if I'm gonna use the VSynth to generate the sounds, it's gonna sound too happy and it doesn't have too much emotions in it. Like I will not say emotions, but more like the dynamic is not that wide. If you're interested in AI music tools, I'll be sharing more experiment like this. So thanks for watching. If you like it, you can like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.